Alright, today you guys are going to learn about what a net or a wall game is. A lot of times when you Google a net game, it just comes up net/wall game. They kind of just go hand in hand and they're kind of described or taught kind of in the same way. So yesterday y'all did invasion games, so today you're going to do net and wall games. So I'm going to give you an article like yesterday, and I'm going to give you a PDF file that has some examples on it that you can read over. So just like yesterday, you need to tell me what is a net or a wall game. I'll just go ahead and put the slash right here, and then give me the definition up underneath, and then you're going to come down and just give me one example. So the article is this one. It gives kind of an overview and definition. It gives some examples right there. I'm not sure what these are. I've never heard of them. These are just games other PE teachers made up, and they make their own names for them. So you don't have to really read any of these. These are just PE games from across the country that other PE teachers use in their gyms. So the only reason I gave you this article is because it has a decent definition right here. And then the PDF file is one of these two, I believe, but I have it downloaded already. And it is this. So you can read over that. If the PDF doesn't come up, you can get your information from the article. It should come up. So you shouldn't have any problems, but you never know. So all you'll need to do is click on the PDF file, but you can get a definition and an example from both of the resources I'm giving you. So you got your PDF and then you got your article. And that's pretty much it. Just the same thing as yesterday. Make sure you're giving me the definition right here. Make sure you're giving me one example right here. All your, what are they called? I'm drawing a blank. All of your activity logs are graded, so make sure you go through, and if you have any questions about your grades, just shoot me an email and I'll be more than happy to talk to you about them. So today you're just doing net wall games. Tomorrow we'll do something similar, and just make sure you take attendance as well.